Hey, this is Carl Anderson, General Manager of MarineMax Charleston, and today I'm going to take you through a new boat from Scout. This is a 281 XSS 2025 model year. Awesome transom space on this boat, a ton of walkable space, plenty of real estate back here, whether you're just maneuvering around the dock or you're actually using this as a casting area. We have the foam sea deck flooring throughout, so very soft and comfortable on your feet. Stern seat, backrest, folds down nice and high, easily seat 3 adults along the side. And then you have great access to your bilge, which is not common on bay style boats, so Scout did an excellent job with this design. You also have a couple of dedicated areas for some buckets. You've got fish boxes on both sides and really convenient fender storage as well. So your fenders aren't going to clutter up other areas of your boat. The boat is powered by a V10 5.7 liter 400 horsepower Mercury Verado. Great planing speed, great top end speed, just an awesome power package for this boat. You also have a power pole mounted on the back and 2 swim platforms with steps on each side. Recessed cleats, fender pros. We have rod holders throughout the transom, so plenty of rod holders. Upgraded JL audio sound system throughout the boat in the gunmetal gray. We also have drawer storage on both sides and the cockpit. Stainless steel deck drain covers as well. You'll notice undergunnel rod storage on both sides for rods, deck brushes, boat hooks. Backside of the leaning post, we have a see-through live well, Corian countertop, cup holders, rod holders. We have fresh and raw water sprayers that are on reels that retract. A slide out Yeti cooler. Tracks in nicely there. Up under the hardtop, this boat is the Midnight Edition package with the black powder coating. Matches the shark gray hull really nicely. Rocket launchers along the back. LED spreader lights, speakers on the aft and the forward portion of the hardtop. We have switching above us along with switching on the Garmin remote for the power pole, Mercury vessel view display for all of our engine data. Coming down to the dash, black bezel, 12-inch Garmin screen, digital throttle and shift with that Mercury Verado, zip wake tabs. We have our jack plate controls here. Induction style phone chargers that lock your phones into place. Got a Fusion head unit. Great sound on this boat. AM, FM, Bluetooth, everything you need. Really comfortable leaning posts on this boat. You do have armrests on both sides. Bolsters that work independently of each other, so you've got a comfortable position whether you're leaning or you're operating the boat from a seated position. Great elevated perspective of the water, so comfortable seating area and just a great position for your driving as well. Coming forward to the head, a lot of headroom on this boat. You do have a porcelain toilet on board, nice synthetic flooring that does drain. Battery switches are located in here as well, so you got plenty of room for storage, good headspace to use the facilities. So it makes for an all-around great day boat. And now we'll head to the bow. So coming forward to the bow area, the bow on this boat is awesome. You have a huge U-shaped seating area where you could easily seat several people seated and facing inward. You've got a ton of storage on both sides. Great access and storage here as well. Batteries live underneath these hatches. Like all Scouts, everything is finished and polished underneath, no rough edges, everything's easy to keep clean. This is the Grigio upholstery. So it's a gray with a cream color and an ultra-vinyl, very soft to the touch. Got our chase lounge with a contoured seat and high backrest. Very comfortable for 2 adults. Armrests come down. Cup holders located conveniently. We've got a Corian surface here, recessed area for phones and sunscreen, especially when you're hanging out at the sandbar. More speakers up front. Battery charger located here. Really deep storage beneath the chase lounge. also drained. This is an insulated lid, so it'll hold ice. And then continuing with the thing we saw in the back, you have the C-deck flooring throughout the nose up here. We have windlass controls for our anchor windlass, in addition to what you have back at the helm. Through the stem, windlass anchor, stainless steel anchor. And then we have rod holder, cup holder receivers, so we can hold a cup, hold a rod, hold a bow shade kit. This boat is ready for that. We have recessed cleats up front, so as we're maneuvering around the foredeck area, we're not going to have any tripping hazards with those cleats in the down position, not going to catch a tow. But just a really awesome area of the boat, whether you're using this for fishing, you're approaching a beach, you're approaching a dock. So one of my favorite boats from Scout, this is their 281 XSS. If you have any questions about this boat or any of our others, 843-747-1889. And always check us out online at MarineMax.com. And thanks for watching.